What's up, y'all? It's summertime in Texas and it's starting to get hot. We've got 3 days coming up here that are going to be triple digits, and one of them is supposed to be like 105, so super hot. So I'm going to start slowing things down with my fishing. And I have this old rod that I used to use. I don't use much anymore, and I'm about to get rid of it. So I'm going to be taking this line off, and I wanted to show you a trick to do that. Now, a lot of you anglers may know this trick already, but some of you rookies may not know it. You need to get you a spool. It can have line on it or not, either way. You need a bolt, and you need a drill. So what you're going to do, you're going to take this bolt, and I'm using washers. I've got 2 washers. You see these silver washers right here. And you're going to run it through that hole in your line spool. Now, you just poke it through there like that, just like that. Put your washer on the other side, and you screw your nut down on it. Once you got it on there, it's going to look just like that. Okay, once you've got that done, you're going to take your drill. You're going to put this in your drill and tighten up on it just like it's a drill bit. Make sure you've got your nut in there tight, and that'll sit there and spin on your drill like this. So what you do now is you take the end of your line. I'm going to go ahead and open the bail on that reel. Take the end of your fishing line. This is just a little piece of painter's tape. I'm just going to lay it across the line right there and stick it down. And you can see this spool already has line on it, but that's okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this hand and just guide this line. Run my drill. That's it. That's all there is to it.